Hey cat lovers, and welcome back to another video. As any cat guardian will tell you, each and every cat is unique in their own way. Even though there has never really been a doubt that cats have personalities, science has just recently proven it. That's why we thought it would be interesting to discuss the 5 primary cat personality types, how personality is formed, and why it's important to know your cat's personality type. If you enjoyed this kind of content, subscribe to the channel for more cat videos. Now, let's help you figure out your cat's personality type. Do cats have unique personalities? From the way they interact with humans to the way they engage with their environment, all cats are different in their own unique ways. Just like people, no two cats are alike. However, we can sort cats into broad categories to understand them better. Similar to how people can be sorted into different personality profiles, such as the Big 5 personality test, MBTI, Enneagrams, etc., it turns out cats can too. For a long time, most of our understanding of cat personalities was anecdotal. Little research has been conducted to determine and categorize different cat personalities. More recently, however, multiple studies have been published in an attempt to better understand cat personalities. In this video, we will mainly be discussing the results of a study from the University of South Australia, one of the largest and most comprehensive research projects conducted on cat personality. 5 main cat personality types. To better understand cat personalities, the researchers studied 2,802 cats from Australia and New Zealand. The cat's owners rated their cats on a survey measuring 52 different personality traits. From the results of the survey, the researchers derived 5 main personality types from the original 52 personality traits, which they refer to as the Feline 5. They found that though most cats fell into multiple categories, they usually had one outstanding personality type. The Feline 5 consists of neuroticism, extroversion, dominance, agreeableness, and impulsiveness. Next, we'll discuss each personality type in depth. Number 1. Neuroticism. The first personality type identified within the Feline 5 is neuroticism. Cats who scored higher in neuroticism than other categories are typically perceived as shy and somewhat anxious cats. These cats may struggle with socialization or just prefer to stick to themselves. The researchers concluded that the main personality traits associated with the neurotic personality type were insecure, anxious, fearful of people, suspicious, and shy. Cats with neurotic personality types will benefit from having plenty of space and alone time. You should consider giving your neurotic cat lots of hiding places, particularly quiet, dark spaces. A neurotic cat will much rather hide and run away than face new situations or unfamiliar people or animals. They will become easily stressed out and anxious if they are not able to hide away safely. As such, you should accommodate their personality type by offering them plenty of hiding spaces and alone time. Number 2. Extroversion. The second cat personality type determined by the researchers is extroversion. Unlike more neurotic cats, extroverted cats are known for their curiosity and desire to explore the world around them. Rather than approaching new situations with a fearful response, the extroverted cat will engage willingly and inquisitively. Extroverted cats are also known for their high levels of intelligence and the ability to think outside the box. The traits that the researchers strongly associated with the extroversion personality type are active, vigilant, curious, inquisitive, inventive, and smart. Extroverted cats will benefit from an engaging, stimulating environment. These cats thrive on intellectual challenge and new situations. As such, you should give your extroverted cat lots of interactive toys. Whether it be puzzle toys or foraging boxes, your extroverted cat will appreciate the mental challenge. Because of their strong curiosity and high intelligence, extroverted cats are also more likely to get bored than other personality types. If they get bored, they may resort to destructive behaviors like scratching or tearing up furniture. To prevent this, make sure to keep them well entertained and mentally stimulated. They will also benefit from increased socialization levels, whether you dedicate extra time to playing with them every day or get them another pet to spend time with. Number 3. Dominance. The third cat personality type is dominance. Dominant cats are characterized by their more aggressive and commanding presence. These cats are more likely to bully other household cats and feel the need to assert their dominance. They may seek to make other cats in the household feel fearful or submissive. The traits associated with this personality type are bullying, dominance, and aggression towards other cats. Cats with dominant personality types may not do well in multi-cat households. Depending on the intensity of their personality, they may try to hog resources or intimidate other cats. These cats can be quite competitive, especially when it comes to food and toys. As mentioned, they may not do well with other cats. If you have a dominant cat in your multi-cat household, it's good to provide a surplus of resources to reduce feelings of competition. Make sure every cat in the house has their own food bowl, water bowl, and litter box. Number 4. Agreeableness. Agreeableness is the fourth personality type identified in the study. Agreeable cats are known for their easygoing and friendly demeanors. These cats are sociable and happy by nature. They love socializing and are generally very loving. The traits associated with the agreeable personality type are affectionate, friendly to people, and gentle. Cats with agreeable personality types are the best suited for multi-cat households, as they can get along well with others. They also make excellent companions, as they probably will enjoy spending lots of time with you. These cats are more likely to cuddle and sit right next to you throughout the day. Agreeable cats can get lonelier quicker than other personality types, so it's important to ensure that they get plenty of socialization throughout the day. Number 5. Impulsiveness. The final personality type in the feline 5 is impulsiveness. These cats are often known as troublemakers, as their behavior is usually unpredictable. Most of the time, impulsive cats are a mix of high energy and high anxiety. They are easily stressed out by changes in their environment. In that sense, they are quite similar to neurotic cats. However, while the neurotic cat will run and hide from the stressor, it is much harder to predict what an impulsive cat will do. They may react entirely differently when faced with the same stressor. They might run, hide, or even lash out aggressively. The traits associated with the impulsive personality type are impulsive, erratic, and reckless. Impulsive cats strongly benefit from routine. Change stresses these cats out and causes them to react impulsively and unpredictably. Therefore, they do best when they are on a predictable and simple schedule. You should try to create as much structure as possible in your cat's day. Playtime and feeding time should be at the same time every day so that your cat can feel safe and secure. Impulsive cats thrive on predictability, as their impulsivity is usually a result of anxiety and a lack of security. Now that you know what the 5 main personality types are, which one do you think best describes your cat? Let us know in the comments. Knowing your cat's personality is actually very helpful, which we'll explain next. Why is it important to know your cat's personality type? While it may seem trivial at first to identify your cat's personality type, it can be very helpful in shaping their routine. To best meet your cat's individual needs, identifying their personality can be a great first step. The researchers who identified the feline 5 came to the same conclusion, suggesting that understanding cat personality profiles can be very helpful when it comes to improving their welfare. By determining your cat's personality type, you can adjust their lifestyle and environment to be more suited for their needs. As we discussed earlier, each personality type benefits from different lifestyles. Whether your cat is neurotic, extroverted, dominant, agreeable, or impulsive, there are changes you can implement to better meet their needs. Understanding your cat's personality type can also help you predict their behavior and notice changes. It can often be difficult to determine if a cat is sick or injured, as cats are notorious for hiding their pain. One of the best ways to figure out if something is wrong with your cat is to notice changes in their usual behavior and routine. By putting in the effort to understand their personality and how they respond to the world, you are more likely to notice changes and discrepancies in their behaviors. If you suspect your cat is in pain, or if something has suddenly changed in their personality, behavior, or routine, make sure to get in contact with your veterinarian. How is personality determined? Most researchers agree that personality is determined by a mixture of nature and nurture. Your cat is born with some of their personality traits, while others are determined by their experiences and treatment. Genetics are thought to play a role in a cat's personality, just as they are thought to affect personality in humans. While research is still being conducted to explore the link between personality and genetics, the oxytocin receptor gene, or OXTR, is a good example of how genes can influence behavior. Research suggests this gene can be used to predict cat behavior, specifically their sociability. The OXTR gene encodes the receptor of oxytocin, a hormone that affects how one will respond in social situations. Oxytocin is often referred to as the love hormone in people because it is linked to feelings of love, trust, and happiness. High levels of oxytocin have been shown to reduce anxiety and stress. Similarly, oxytocin is thought to have an influence over cats' social ability levels and how they respond to others. Depending on their OXTR gene and natural oxytocin levels, a cat may be more likely to respond negatively or positively to unfamiliar people or animals. The study on the influence of OXTR, published in the Journal of Veterinary Behavior, concluded that genetic variation may be linked to personality. Playing an equally, if not more important role in personality is experience. The first few stages of a cat's life are especially influential in shaping their personality, as the cat learns how to best respond to their environment. For example, cats with agreeable personality types were likely well socialized as kittens. They likely had a lot of exposure to people or other cats from a young age, enough so that they don't respond with fear or anxiety later in life. The researchers with the feline 5 suggest that cats who scored low on agreeableness and are hostile towards people or other cats may have had poor socialization as kittens. The period of 3 to 7 weeks of age has been determined to be the most influential in determining a cat's personality. During this time, a kitten learns how to engage with the world around them. If they have a lot of exposure to people and other animals, they are more likely to interact with the world confidently. If they have little to no socialization, they are likely to be anxious and fearful. Now that we've dived into the feline 5, it's time for Cat of the Week. This video's Cat of the Week is Luna. Her guardian says, My cat Luna is a sweetheart. When I went to the pet supply store to look at another kitten, she caught my eye by doing whatever she could to get my attention. She kept tapping on my shoulder and would snuggle on my lap. Needless to say, she came home with me that evening. She chose me. She knew that I was her human. When not sitting next to me, Luna enjoys looking out the window, playing with her toys, and climbing on the cat wall. Congratulations, Luna. Keep being pawsome. To enter your cat for a chance to be featured, visit the entry link in the description box below. If you haven't commented already, we'd love to hear what your cat's personality type is. Also, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up because it helps other cat lovers find our content. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next Catterday for another video.